If you're a fan of Samsung's flip phones, get ready for some exciting news. A new rumor about the upcoming Galaxy Z Flip 7 is making waves, and it's sure to bring a smile to the faces of frequent travelers and power users alike. If you've been keeping up with Samsung's yearly upgrades, you might not have expected a significant jump in battery life. But Samsung may have a surprise in store. According to a very credible source, the Galaxy Z Flip 7 is set to bring another substantial battery upgrade, just like last year's jump from the Z Flip 5 to the Z Flip 6. Yes, you heard that right, 2 major battery upgrades in a row. This year's model is rumored to feature a 4,300 mAh battery, up from the 4,000 mAh capacity of the Z Flip 6. That in itself was already a big jump from the 3,700 mAh battery in the Z Flip 5. If this rumor turns out to be true, it means that Samsung is taking battery life improvements for its Flip series very seriously. Meanwhile, things seem quite different on the Fold side of Samsung's foldable lineup. The Galaxy Z Fold 6, Z Fold 5, Z Fold 4, and even the Z Fold 3 all came with the same 4,400 mAh battery, with no real improvements for years. In fact, the Galaxy Z Fold 2 from way back in 2020 actually had a slightly larger 4,500 mAh battery. If the Galaxy Z Fold 7 finally sees an upgrade, it would be great, but at this point, there's no guarantee. Clearly, Samsung is treating its two foldable phone families very differently when it comes to battery capacity. Now, let's circle back to the Galaxy Z Flip 6 for a moment. Technically, it contains 2 separate batteries with a combined rated capacity of just under 3,900 mAh. However, Samsung advertises it as a 4,000 mAh battery. With that logic in mind, the Z Flip 7's 2 batteries, rated at 2,985 mAh and 1,189 mAh, are expected to combine for a typical advertised capacity of 4,300 mAh. To put it simply, the Z Flip 7 is expected to boost battery capacity by 7 to 8% over its predecessor. This could translate to a real-world endurance improvement of 7 to 8%, or possibly even more. Why? Because the Z Flip 7 isn't just getting a bigger battery, it's also expected to feature the cutting-edge Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, replacing the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 found in the Z Flip 6. This next-generation chipset should not only enhance performance but also improve energy efficiency, which in turn should help extend battery life even further. So, does this mean the Galaxy Z Flip 7 will be bigger to accommodate the larger battery? Surprisingly, the answer is no, or at least not in any significant way. Leaked renders suggest that the Z Flip 7 will measure. With these rumored upgrades, Samsung seems committed to making the Flip series an even more attractive option for those who love compact foldables. A larger battery, a more efficient processor, and a slightly bigger display, all without major sacrifices to portability, make the Galaxy Z Flip 7 one of the most exciting upcoming devices in the foldable space. Of course, these details are still based on leaks and rumors, so we'll have to wait for official confirmation. But if Samsung does deliver on these expectations, the Galaxy Z Flip 7 could be a game changer for those who want a powerful yet compact foldable phone with all-day battery life. Stay tuned for more updates as we get closer to the official launch. Galaxy S25 series today in San Jose, California, marking the debut of 3 exciting models: the Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus, and Galaxy S25 Ultra. Just hours before the grand unveiling, retail boxed images surfaced, showcasing the lineup in their sleek packaging. The leak confirms that the boxes are thin, with no in-box charger included, continuing Samsung's trend of reducing packaging waste. Among the colors revealed, the Galaxy S25 comes in a refined gray, the S25 Plus dazzles in dark blue, and the S25 Ultra stuns in its titanium ice blue finish. Samsung's bold design choices are evident in the Ultra model, which retains its signature S Pen slot while sporting rounded edges for a more comfortable grip. Under the hood, all models are powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, a custom for Galaxy version that is overclocked for enhanced performance. The base Galaxy S25 model offers 128 gigabytes of storage, a somewhat disappointing figure, but Samsung compensates with a boost in RAM to 12 gigabytes across all base models. For storage options, the lineup includes 256 gigabytes as standard, with 512 gigabytes available for users requiring more space. Hands-on images have added last-minute excitement, offering an early look at the Galaxy S25 series. The leaks reveal a redesigned, slender retail box that emphasizes the phone's frames and cameras. The Ultra's design features premium-looking camera rings, flat sides, and a streamlined back panel, further enhancing comfort and aesthetics. Color options across the series include mint and silver shadow for the Galaxy S25, navy blue for the S25 Plus, and titanium gray for the S25 Ultra. Exclusive online-only colors such as blue, black, coral red, and pink gold provide even more variety for buyers. In terms of pricing, Samsung is keeping the base prices steady compared to the Galaxy S24 series in South Korea. This decision, despite rising production costs and a higher USD to Korean won exchange rate, is seen as a win for consumers worldwide. However, higher storage variants see a slight increase. Here's the pricing breakdown for the base 256 GB models. Galaxy S25, 1,155,000 Korean won, $796. Galaxy S25 Plus, 1,353,000 Korean won, $933. Galaxy S25 Ultra, 1,694,000 Korean won, $1,171. Higher storage variants will cost Galaxy S25 512 gigabytes, 1,313,500 Korean won, $962. Galaxy S25 Plus 512 gigabytes, 1,511,400 Korean won, $1,429. Galaxy S25 Ultra 512 gigabytes, 1,858,600 Korean won, $1,281. These prices are competitive given the global use of the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, which is 20% more expensive than its predecessor. One of the standout features of the Galaxy S25 series is Galaxy AI, included free of charge through 2025. This advanced AI capability enhances user experience by offering features such as night video with audio eraser. This innovative tool allows users to capture stunning videos in low light while reducing both video grain and background audio noise. Samsung has also upgraded the selfie cameras for lifelike skin tones and textures, ensuring top-notch photo quality. The Galaxy S25 lineup also introduces varying battery capacities to suit different needs. Galaxy S25, 4,000 mAh, Galaxy S25 Plus, 4,900 mAh, Galaxy S25 Ultra, 5,000 mAh. As expected, the S Pen remains exclusive to the Galaxy S25 Ultra, bundled within the box. For display enthusiasts, the series offers impressive screen sizes. 6.2 inches for the S25, 6.7 inches for the S25 Plus, and a massive 6.9 inches for the S25 Ultra. The Ultra also leads the pack with a 200-megapixel main camera, and all the other models feature 50-megapixel primary sensors. Samsung's ecosystem features are also highlighted in the Galaxy S25 series. Smart Switch makes it seamless to transfer data from your old device, while Samsung Digital Wallet provides a secure hub for credit cards, boarding passes, and more. For Galaxy users, daily news briefings will deliver morning and evening updates on weather, top stories, and other essentials. What's your take on the Galaxy S25 series pricing and features? Are you excited about the design, performance, or AI capabilities? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to reserve your Galaxy S25 through the link in the description to take advantage of exclusive offers. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more updates on the latest gadgets, and turn on notifications so you never miss a future upload. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey Samsung fans, the moment we've all been waiting for is almost here. The Galaxy S25 series is set to be unveiled at the highly anticipated Galaxy Unpacked event on January 22nd. But here's the deal.